Hi, yes. Next, Max Pedagogy, Mock Text 3, Paper 1, score the 15 by 15 marks. First question, is child studying in the class 4, the extra exhibits the difficulties of the reading, recognize the patterns, telling time, measuring the etc. This learning difficulty can be named as answer B, suffering from dyslexia. With which method is the reverse of the analytic method? Answer C, synthesis method. The section of practice time including the in difficult topics in mathematics textbook aims at answer C, providing extended learning opportunities. Fourth question, what is the relations between the object and learning experience and evaluation in mathematics? Answer C, triangular. What technique is among the following the basis of the principles in the activity and individual differences? Answer B, supervised study. The recommended key concept in the unit multiplication in the class third is answer C, properties, the multiplication order property and group property. Multiplication order property and group property. Seventh question, a teacher using the exploratory approach use of multiplicative and involvement of the students in discussion while giving the concept of mathematics. She used this strategy to answer C, creating certain way of thinking and reasoning. Eighth question, if a learner is able to perform the four basic opportunities in the whole number of fraction decimals numbers and learner is it C, operating phase. A teacher gives the 36 tiles in the students of the class in the fourth, ask them to arrange them in the all possible rectangles. Which one of the following concept in the cannot be addressing the using of activity? Answer 3, area compulsory, multiplication is compulsory, fraction is compulsory. So answer is area, multiplication, factors. 10th question, which one of the following multiplicative tools is required to develop the geometrical concept of symmetry? Is reflection is class 4th. Answer dot paper. You know that all of you. The debate was the conducted in mathematical periods of the class 4th on 0 is the most powerful number. This activity encouraging the child to answer C, analyze and communicate. Which one of the following questions is open-ended? Answer B, how will you multiply 15 by 3? 13th question, according to Van Hill's level geometry students, who can you describe the sort out shapes on the basics in the appearance at level 0 visualization? As always, level 0 is the visualization, level 1 is the analyze. Previous question, analyze. Next, which one of the following is the important characteristics of the good mathematics textbooks in the primary level? Answer C, concept should be introducing through context. Last question, some students in the class 2nd face difficulty in the additions of 2 digits number. Involve the carrying over. Reason behind the problems is lack of. Answer B, understanding of regrouping process. Thank you.